Hello guys, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Delphine and this is the Nobia's platform. So in today's video, I'm going to be trying the mini twist on my fine textured falsy natural hair. So in this channel, I mostly make videos on natural hair hairstyles, beauty, lifestyle, family, and toddler hairstyles. So guys, first of all, I'm just getting my hair wet because it's really dry. I mean, my hair is always dry because it's high porosity, and guys, it gets dry and breaks a lot. So first I get it wet and then I just go ahead and get my section. And guys, if you're interested in all those things I mentioned earlier, you may want to consider subscribing to my channel and be sure to turn on your notification bell so that you get notified whenever I post new videos. So guys, after getting my section, I'm just going to go ahead and put the products that I'm going to be using. So first of all, guys, I go in with my leave-in conditioner spray and I'm using the Cantu leave-in conditioner mist. So this is liquid and it's almost like water except it's a conditioner. So after that, I go in with my cream, and for the cream, I'm using the Moisture Miracle leave-in cream, and this is really good, guys. It helps to keep your hair moisturized and soft. So next is my custard, and I'm using the Cream of Nature Defining Custard. So guys, the custard just makes your twist to hold, to be stronger and to slick better. So the last thing is my oil, which I just use to seal everything together. And then so after applying everything, I'm just going to go ahead and get my section, and then I start my twisting. Remember, it's always best to work your hair in smaller sections because it makes the work easy. So guys, first of all, I make sure, because I want my root to be strong, to be firm and secure, just so it's not loose and stuff like that. So after applying everything, I just comb out my hair a little bit. And guys, the first thing I do is I start my hair with braids. So I kind of like braid the hair about 2 or 3 times before I twist it out. So I secure my roots by braiding, and then I continue with a twist. And you could just twist it like that without actually braiding, but guys, the braid just helps your roots to be even more secure and to make the hair clean. But I mean, I'm not bothered about it being neat or anything like that right now. So when I get to the root, I just like wrap it around, twist it just to give it a defined look. But guys, my fine textured hair, I guess it's because of my hair texture, it still doesn't like look great, the tip of my hair. So guys, I think that first section is a little bit bigger than I want it to. So I'm just going to go ahead and separate it even further. Also guys, I feel like it's a lot easier to apply the product, in an entire section and then just start splitting and twisting instead of like going in with each and every product, on every single tiny section that you want to twist. So this just makes it a lot easier, for me. That's why I'm doing it this way. Is if you have high porosity hair, try not to use a lot of products. I mean, you could just use your butter and your cream, but I mean, just try to go light. Okay, I went too heavy and I feel like my hair is way down, even though the twist kind of looks smooth, but I just feel like I shouldn't have used a lot of products on my hair since, because I have fine textured hair. So try not to repeat my mistake. And guys, so that's all I'm going to be doing. And I'm not going to do a lot of talking, so I'm just going to let you watch the rest of the video and see how I do it. So just remember, first I apply my product, and the first thing is my leave-in conditioner mist, the water, the spray, and then I follow up with my cream, and then my custard, and then my butter, and then I just start twisting. So that's it, guys. So I'm going to let you watch the rest of the video as I twist. Okay, guys, so at this point, I'm just, doing the same thing. I go in with my spray, my cream, my butter, my oil, and then I just get my sections. So, guys, at one point, I really got tired. So, I was just getting different sections, and keeping them aside. And then I just start twisting so I don't have to, get a section every time I'm done with another one. It really, really did help, guys. So, this is where we are right now. So guys, this is the end result, and I mean it came out really good, even though not as fluffy as I wanted it to be, but it's okay. So guys, at this point I'm just going to go ahead and add some beads on my hair, and then I can style it however I want. There are a lot of different ways to style your mini twist. Okay guys, so guys, as you can see, my ends are a little bit rough. I guess it's because of the texture of my hair. So that's it guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and if you did find it helpful, give it a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed yet, don't forget to do that. Thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video.